I often surprise people when I say that I never get lonely. I'm not trying to be brave, and I'm not trying to say that being by myself all day is always easy. But I never get lonely. I think a lot of that stems from the fact that I can always hear my system. From the moment I wake up to the moment I go to sleep, I can always hear them. Well, what does it sound like? I get that question a lot. Well, this is what it sounds like.
So what do we do all day? Well,
constant. All the time. There is.
It's not a big deal anymore. When we were younger, when the whole system was just brand new.
There's always someone talking. There's always someone laughing or crying.
We really weren't a family.
There's always someone
Saw each other from across a crowded room and said, "Hey,
alive and moving." And I can always hear them. And I can always feel them. It's not something I'm ashamed of. It's something that I'm used to. It's always been this way. For as long as I can remember, it's always been this way. I remember as a child, I would just stay awake at night and listen. And I never realized that it was coming from inside of me. I never realized that it was someone within me talking all the time. But they do that. They talk all the time. Because sometimes I think they're afraid of silence as well. I think they're afraid of what they will remember if they stop talking. So it's constant. I hear that all the time. And once in a while, a little voice will rise and ask for something. That doesn't make me a freak. That doesn't make me unusual, considering that having MPD, DID is no longer rare. It's common. Just like hearing the voices, it's common. Just like realizing I'm never alone, so I never get lonely.